Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hakka Yellow Wine Chicken, or otherwise known as 黄酒鸡. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we'll dry fry our ginger. I'm using bentong ginger. If you can't get bentong ginger, you can always use whole ginger. This is 50 grams of it. I've actually grated this. Use a grater and grate it like this. If you do not have a grater, you can use your mortar and pestle just to pound it. And then you just squeeze it and extract as much juice as possible until it's dry like this. Okay? So we put them into our frying pan. We do not need to turn on the flame first. Just put them all in. Turn the heat to medium-low, and we'll slowly dry fry this until they are dry or a little bit brown. This will take a little while. Just move them around. Now remember, don't use too high of a heat. You want to extract as much flavor as possible. This dish is very good for ladies or women in confinement. So if you have your relatives or your wife, this is a very easy dish to cook for them. It will expel the coldness from their body. And this is a very simplified version of it. There's only 4 or 5 ingredients needed. So it's very, very simple. Slowly just dry fry them. This will take a little while. Move them around. I'll show you how they look like when I'm done with this. I'll see you back in a while. I've been frying this for about a minute or so. As you can see, part of it has turned brown already. We will now add in our sesame oil. Add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now you might wonder why I did not add in the sesame oil initially. That is because if I fry too long with the sesame oil as well as the ginger, it might turn bitter. So this is a much safer way to cook this. I'm still using the same medium-low heat. Just move them around a little bit. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance coming out from here, we'll add in our chicken. I'm using half a chicken, approximately 5 to 550 grams. Put them all in. Cut into your desired thickness. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium. And we just fry them for a little while, just to brown the skin and get the excess oil out from the chicken. Now traditionally for this dish, right, we will not add in any sugar or salt. Okay, the sweetness from the chicken as well as the sweetness from the glutinous wine will actually flavor this. But if you are just having this at home and you want a little bit of flavor, of course, feel free to add a little bit of salt later before serving. We'll just fry both sides, brown the skin a little bit before we add in our water. The kitchen is smelling absolutely fantastic right now. Now if you do not want to use half a chicken, you can use fresh thighs, fresh drumstick, just fresh wings, no problem, it's really up to you. Now of course if you are feeding more people, you can just double up the ingredients. You want to fry the chicken until they are a little bit dry, so that later they will absorb the wine very, very well, and this will be really flavorful. To our Western viewers or viewers in the Western Hemisphere, this is something that you can try. This will expel the coldness in your body and you will not experience like cold hands or cold feet. Okay, something like this will be good. You don't see too much of a redness. Now just put them flat on the pan and we'll add in our water. We'll just add in enough water to be just covering the chicken. This will be good enough. We'll put the lid on. Using medium-low heat, we'll simmer this for 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, smells really, really good. Now we add in our ginger juice. The juice is from the grated ginger. Add in also 300 milliliters of glutinous rice wine. Now if you do not have glutinous rice wine, especially for our viewers in the Western Hemisphere, you can replace this with brandy, but use between 50 milliliters to 80 milliliters. Okay. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium-high and get this to a boil. In case you're wondering what kind of a glutinous rice wine I'm using Hakka 黄酒 客家黄酒. These are the pure glutinous rice wine. Do not use 花雕酒 because it will turn sour. Alright? This is without salt and anything, so this is very, very healthy, especially for those in confinement. When this comes to a boil, we'll count down 1 minute. And after the 1 minute is up, that means this is ready to serve. I'll see you back in a while. I've been cooking this for about a minute. If you are serving this to confinement moms, please do not add any salt or sugar. But as we are having this for ourselves, we would like to add a little bit of seasoning. Just 1 teaspoon of salt to bring out the flavor. Give it a stir. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. It's really, really very aromatic. I can smell the beautiful fragrance from the wine. This is really nice. Let me try this. The natural sweetness from the wine, the beautiful ginger taste itself. It really warms the body immediately. This is really good. Let me try the chicken. Oh. I tell you, this soup over here is really, really great for weather like this when it's super cold and rainy. Dispel all the coolness from your body. This will keep you warm for a long time. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Oh, 汤好喝。